Okay, I know why you're here. You're here for the money.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're a finance channel, right?
Oh yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into today's video. So what exactly are we doing today? Well, episode 5 is here. That's right guys, we're getting straight into episode 5 for the $1,000 challenge. Basically guys, we try to take $100, turn it to $1,000. Now if you guys haven't seen the previous episodes before, I'll link a playlist down below in the description, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. With that being said, if you guys are following along, then let's get right into today's video. Let's go.
Alright, so the very first thing guys is we're actually going to go ahead and redeem off Leo Opinions, which we've actually grinded a little bit on for surveys, and as you guys can see, we still have a stack of surveys here that is, you know, not completed. But either ways guys, we're cashing out $20 in PayPal, so let's go ahead and actually grab that right now. And there we go guys, we've redeemed $10 in PayPal cash. It should be here within 2 weeks or so, though it does say right here that it will take a little longer, but it is what it is, so yeah, let's keep going. And here's a little bit of a payment proof just in case any of you haters out there think I'm, you know, cheating on this challenge, but here you go. Next up, we actually gotta go ahead and actually redeem the phone farm, so let's go ahead and actually do that right now.
Alright guys, so we have made it to the phone farm, and yes, I will be doing an update on what's happening with all these phones here, because clearly they're not really doing anything right now. But for now guys, we're just looking at Cash Magnet, and right here you guys can see, yes, I have been slacking. And yes guys, if you don't already know, if you see an uninstall under these Cash Magnet things, yeah, you guys really should uninstall them so that you guys have more storage for more watch and earns. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly clear these up, and I will be right back for when we actually redeem these. Alright, so after doing a little bit of maintenance on the Cash Magnet phones, we have got them all cleared up and ready to go. Now actually I'm gonna show you guys right now. Under redeem history, you guys can see we've actually been paid all the previous payments. That screen's a bit cracked up, so let me actually switch over to this one. There we go, we got all paid for that account as well. Let's check this one, redeem history, and boom, we have also been paid for this account as well. Now the other two phones that we actually got for this challenge are currently running current music, so yeah, we'll just leave them to it. I literally just started running them on current music today because I had nothing else better to put on there. Anyways, back to what we're going over. Basically guys, we're just gonna go ahead and actually redeem a bit of cash. So right here we're gonna get a $10 cash out on PayPal, and let's see, there we go, success, yay. And as you guys can see, our points have went down, so let's go ahead and actually hit the start button, and we're almost there to another $5 gift card or PayPal cash cash out once again. So we're just gonna go ahead and run that. Moving along, we got another $10 that we can cash out. Boom, there we go, success. And I believe we can even grab another $5 on this account, so that is $15 now. And if we go over to the redeem history, you guys can see under pending we have $5 and $10 right there. Same thing on this phone, we're just gonna go ahead and actually redeem a $5 PayPal cash out. Success, there we go. And we're gonna grab a $10, which is pretty easy as well. And there we go. So you guys can see we're really low on points now. We got 20 points on this phone, 218 and 4,000-ish points on this one. This phone right here is also running Cash Magnet, though we did not get it for the challenge. So that one's just gonna, you know, not count for the challenge. So we're just gonna go ahead and get these running once again. And oh, actually let me turn down the brightness so that we can actually save some electricity here, you know. And the other two phones were running current music, and yeah, we just kind of started these today, so can't really redeem anything on them just yet. So basically guys, that is the phone farm bit, at least these 5 phones right here that we got for the challenge. Back to the computer screen, let's go.
Alright, so the next part of this challenge, what we're going to do is actually head over to something called Coinbase. Now this is a cryptocurrency wallet, And yes, currently I have $50.22 in it. And I was scrolling through here and I realized, wait, I can actually earn some cryptocurrency from Coinbase. So that's what we're doing today in this challenge. So what we're going to do is actually go ahead and hit earn rewards. You guys can see we can actually earn $6 in algo coin. I'm not too sure what that is, but a lot of these coins, basically guys, we can earn a decent amount of money just from actually learning about these cryptocurrencies. So I'm actually going to go ahead and speed through these and yeah, let's see how much money we can actually make. Alright, there we go guys. So we just earned $2 in algo, which is actually a cryptocurrency that we can convert either to Bitcoin or just take it directly out and put it into our bank. So here we go. We're actually going to go on to the next lesson. Basically, it's paying me just for actually answering these quiz questions here, which you guys can actually find the answers in the video. So basically that's how it works. It's basically just paying me to do school, but on cryptocurrencies. Alright, there we go. Another $2, guys. Let's keep going. And there we go, boys. That is another $2, and we have just earned $6 in algo coin. So heading back over to the homepage, you guys can see our balance actually went up, and you guys can see we have been credited with $6 of algo coin, or whatever this thing is called. So yeah guys, that's actually pretty cool, and let's actually keep going with this. Next course we got is called Maker, so yeah, here we go. And there we go guys, $2 from MKR. Hey, that one was pretty fast. Let's go, $2 extra. Hey, and there we go guys, just completed the MKR course, and we actually can go back over to home, and there we go, back on the home page. You guys can see our portfolio just got another increase. Let's go, and you guys can see right here as well, $6 in Maker coin. Next up we got Kilo, I don't know how to pronounce this. Let's just do it. And there we go guys, that's another $2 added to our account.
Eventually.
Alright, so this time we're actually getting a full-on tutorial on how to use this thing. We're gonna get $10 for it, so why not? Let's give it a try. Okay, so we need to open Coinbase wallet, go to settings, tap connection. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on my phone real quick and see if we can actually try that out. Alright, so we're on the last step now guys, so let's go ahead and finish this off and claim our $10. Hopefully it'll be worth it. It's actually taken me a while because I fricked it over, but yeah, let's just get this done. Oh shoot, dude. Okay, there we go. We just got $10 from comp, so let's go ahead and actually click done and check up on our portfolio. Do I see any increase? Kinda? I don't know. Okay, so here's the thing guys, is with that comp tutorial we actually had to send some money over to a third-party app. As you guys can see, we sent some Ethereum over. I think we can transfer it back, so what we're gonna do is actually just do that. Alright, so we just sent the money from the third-party app back over to Coinbase. So let's see, this balance, there we go. It has updated and now we are at $76 guys, so let's keep it going. Alright, so lastly we have Stellar, which I'm assuming is some type of cryptocurrency because obviously it's on Coinbase. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, so we just completed all the tutorials on Coinbase. Now you guys can see we actually have a new balance of $95.13 on Coinbase. On top of that, we have $10.26 earning us interest on the third-party app, which I think I'm just gonna leave there. So yeah, that's what's happening with the challenge so far. So if we go ahead and actually subtract our current balance from our previous balance at the start of the video, we'll get our total earned amount. So I'm not too sure what that is currently, but I'll throw up a total on screen right now. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and actually earn crypto yourself, just as I did in this video, go ahead and actually click the link in the description. It will take you to a sign up link on Coinbase, which you guys will get a sign up bonus of $10 if you guys go ahead and actually deposit 100. And yes, you guys, you can withdraw your Coinbase balance to your PayPal account anytime and anywhere. So if you want to go ahead and actually just sign up, get your free $50, or take the extra step, deposit $100, buy Bitcoin or something, get an extra $10, and then just take everything out and put it into your regular PayPal account, feel free to. Or maybe a few of you guys are actually interested in investing into cryptocurrencies, and if that's the case, well, by all means, go ahead and just sign up and you're on your way.
So yeah guys, we're still doing this challenge. I know it's been a while since we actually uploaded episode 4, but you know what guys, I'm still going to go ahead and upload on this series and continue doing so until we complete the challenge. So despite me having very little time to actually do these challenges, this weekend actually I had a little bit less homework, so I was able to actually, you know, do a little bit more for this challenge. And if you guys want to see another episode come out really soon, make sure you go ahead, smash the like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. And by the way, new upload schedule will be Monday every single week and possibly Sunday, thanks to you guys who have voted on the poll. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now. Oh, that was weird.